What's going on, family? We got another one coming at you from Best Shoe Store. You know where it is, guys. You already saw the Pink Pig review. Another rep review coming at you right now, guys. Let's get into this box. You know how it is. Let's cut it open. Alright, guys, we're going to jump right into this review. Shouts out to everybody that's already been a part of it, guys. I love all the comments, loves all the feedback. Make sure that you're subscribed to my Instagram channel, guys. Rep Gang on Instagram. At Rep Gang, one word. All the giveaways and stuff will be on the Instagram coming up, guys. Another SB dunk coming at you from the Best Shoes Store. If you guys didn't catch it, there will be another link for the Instagram later on in the video. Make sure you stick around. Size 8.5. I know you guys have been seeing me wait for these Habibi dunks. I love it. Look at how clean those are. Guys, make sure you click that subscribe button and that bell. Make sure you're notified every time that you see these new videos get posted, guys. I'm trying to post as fast as I can, guys, as fast as this product is coming in. Look at how clean those are. Look at that gum sole, guys. I absolutely love the laces. The laces is my favorite part of these Habibi dunks. These are so fire in hand. I like the double tongue feature. Shouts out to Frame Skate Shop in Dubai. They were the original creators of this dunk. I love the way that the SBs have always been so unique, guys. I can't wait till mine actually get here from Kick.Who. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I will link the video in the description to my Kick.Who video. I was supposed to be getting the Habibi dunks for myself. This is my pair for my wife that I got her for her birthday. Wow, just so clean, guys. Can't be more happier. Shots out again to Best Shoe Store. Amazing quality, guys. Look at how it sits up at the front, sits flat at the back, guys. That's how all the SBs are supposed to sit. Proper stance on it. Look, all the way down in the heel, all the way front and up in the front. Just quality premium leather, guys. All the way from the toe cap, all the way back. All the way, dude. Just quality premium leather. Could not be happier with the quality, guys. I love the hawk feature on the tongue. How it's not a Nike logo, it's a hawk. I was going to pull out the white tongues and do a picture with just the black tongues in, but I didn't want to take the time to unlace the white part. They're just fire in hand, guys. Could not be happier. I love the way that they ship from Best Shoe Store. I like the way that they double box it. They double box it and it's in a bag. Very thoroughly impressed with the shipping. I will be ordering again, guys. You will see more reviews from their company coming up. Sellers, also keep in mind, if you're trying to get your product reviewed, guys, hit my DMs up on Instagram. Contact me. Definitely always interested in doing reviews, guys. I got a few more bangers coming for you. They're already here. I just got to edit the videos. Man, these are fire in hand. Could not be more impressed, guys. The quality on these is just, I feel like they're one of ones. You definitely don't have to worry about anything about a call out if you're wearing these on feet, guys. Wear them with pride. Look at the back tabs, guys. The back tabs are good. The Nike lettering's good. There's those black tongues. You can see the underneath black tongue. Correct number of lines across the back underneath the Nike. I even like the inside soles. The pattern on there, that Frame Skate Shop pattern, that's so sick. Definitely thoroughly impressed, guys. Could not be more impressed with these. So you guys make sure that you're commenting, like, and subscribe on the videos, guys. Smash that bell if you haven't already. Make sure you're always present when you get these new videos come out. And guys, make sure you drop in the comments any videos, any shoes that you want to see me review in the future. If there's something that you haven't seen yet or you want to see a review of, make sure you drop me a like, guys. Drop me a comment. Go ahead and check out Best Shoe Store, guys. That's where we got them from.